tips to speak English fluently. Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English? Maybe the words are in your head, but when you try to say them, you freeze or speak too slowly. Don't worry today. I'll share practical tips that will help you speak English more fluently and confidently, even if you're practicing alone. Many learners think fluency means speaking fast, but that's not true. Fluency is about speaking smoothly and naturally without long pauses, and being confident in your words. So let's go step by step. Tip 1. Think in English. The first step is think in English, not in your native language. When you translate in your head, it slows you down. Instead, try to describe simple things around you in English. For example, if you see a cup of tea, say in your mind, "This tea is hot. I like it." Make this a habit every day. Tip 2. Practice with short sentences. Don't try to make long, complicated sentences at the beginning. Start with short, simple sentences. Instead of saying, "Yesterday I went to the supermarket to buy some fresh vegetables because I wanted to cook dinner for my family," you can start with, "I went to the supermarket yesterday. I bought vegetables. I cooked dinner." Step by step, your sentences will become longer and smoother. Tip 3. Shadowing technique. This is powerful. Listen to a native speaker, maybe in a movie, podcast, or YouTube video, and repeat exactly what they say at the same time. This is called shadowing. It helps you copy natural rhythm, intonation, and speed. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing single words, learn phrases you can use in real life. For example, instead of just learning help, learn the phrase, "Can you help me with this?" Instead of just learning thanks, learn, "Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it." Phrases make your speaking faster and more natural. Tip 5. Record yourself. Take your phone. Record yourself speaking on any topic, maybe my favorite food or my daily routine. Then listen to it. You'll notice your mistakes and improve quickly. It's like being your own teacher. Tip 6. Don't fear mistakes. Remember this, even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency comes when you stop worrying about being perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Mistakes are just part of learning. So, if you want to speak English fluently, remember these steps. Think in English. Practice short sentences. Shadow native speakers. Learn phrases. Record yourself. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice a little every day, and you'll see results faster than you imagine. Now, here's a challenge for you in the comments. Write 3 simple sentences in English about your day. I'll check them and help you improve.